Wait, why is there a camera in my bathroom? Well, since you're here, we may as well make a YouTube video. I think the thing I want to show you guys today is actually what's in my shower, because I just restocked everything, but there's a few things that are staples in there that I've been using for a while that I haven't given a follow-up on. So let's go to my stand-up shower that's not as cool as you think it is. Now, my shower is not very fancy and I did not clean my shower for this video, but I just feel like I've perfected my shower routine, specifically moisturizing my body, which I know sounds so strange, but if you followed me for any amount of time, I like struggle with moisturizing my body, like using lotion consistently. However, I have the driest skin ever because I live in New England where the weather hurts my face, and it immediately just like sucks the moisture out of your skin to where your legs look like you're an alligator. So I found something that has been working for me, but only for like a week. So come back later and see if we're still doing that. But let's go in my shower. All right, first things first, these shelves from Amazon. I posted about these and everybody was like, they're gonna fall off. If you press on them, they're gonna fall off. They're not gonna stay. Well, you were wrong. They are still up, still standing, and they are getting some wear and tear, but I love these shelves. Here are the Amazon shelves still standing. And when I use my shampoo, I literally just push on it right here. When I use my body wash, I just push on it right here, and these guys have not budged. Yes, I am actually standing in my shower, and yes, my sock is soaking wet. So now that I'm in my shower, I figured I would show you guys the products that are in here and the reasons why I'm loving them and how I'm using them. One of the things that I am loving, I have posted about this, but this is from Kitsch, and this is a bonnet slash shower cap in a way. It is silky on the inside, which I love, but this is designed so that you can keep your hair dry while you are in the shower. So you kind of just like bring it all the way down to your neck, and then you bring it up, and all of your hair goes inside of it, and then you do like a little twisty, and it has like a wire in it. And it holds all of your hair so that when you're in the shower, it stays dry, and then you can just pull this down and your hair looks exactly the same. But you can also sleep in this, so it's kind of like a protective bonnet. I don't think that this is tight enough to where if I slept in it, it would still be on my head when I woke up, but a lot of people rave about using it that way. But I use this in my shower and I just hook it right here so I can grab it easy. While we are on the topic of hair, let's talk about all the things that I use in my hair right now. This right here is my hair shelf. I do try to organize by like category. So this is all of my hair, this is all of my face, and this right here is body. And then I also take this corner shelf too. So this is the only spot that my husband gets in the whole shower. Right now, if you have been watching any of my social media, you know that I'm kind of obsessed with using Divi products. I just opened the shampoo and conditioner after finishing the K18 line. Definitely loved K18. It is a little bit pricey. I was gifted it. But these are from Divi. This is the shampoo and conditioner. I didn't realize that I got the one for thick, coarse hair, but because my hair is naturally gray, it is naturally more coarse, and I have been loving this. It's like got that tea tree minty vibe, and it makes your scalp tingle. It is just really good. That is for my everyday, but I do love to really focus on my scalp health. So I use a scalp scrub, and I love to use hair masks. My favorite scalp scrub is from Viviscal. This actually helps with hair growth as well. It has marine collagen in it. I just used this morning. You can see she is well loved. This is really coarse. It's like made from salt, and it really feels like your scalp is getting scrubbed and exfoliated. And it can like work through how thick my hair is to get down to the scalp. This is like definitely one of my top favorite products. The next product that I love in my hair is the Divi mask, but this is the Whipped Repair Treatment Mask. This is the most lightweight mask but it's still crazy effective, right? So when you think of masks, you typically think of like really rich, really heavy, it could weigh your hair down. The way my hair absorbs this mask is insane. It is just so lightweight, and it like, every strand of my hair just absorbs it. It like completely disappears into my hair in the shower. I love the texture of it. It really is whipped. And as you can see, I use it a ton. And it just smells so good. It's like a tea tree, like minty smell. Last product is this Briogeo mask. This one is really good. This is what I use when my hair is like really dry and I feel like I need to do something a little bit more deep and a little bit more intense. So this is the Don't Despair Repair Mega Strength Rice Water Protein and Moisture Strengthening Treatment. That is a mouthful. But it has these like two little tunnels in here that have like two different ones that you mix together. I don't know what the magic is in this, but I love it. And I do know that rice protein is super healthy for your hair, and it also helps with hair growth and stimulation as well. So this is what I use when I feel like my hair just needs something like a little bit deeper, a little bit more intense. We're moving to the top shelf here, you guys. This is all of the face products, as well as my favorite shaving cream, which may be a surprise, and obviously my favorite toothpaste, because yes, I brush my teeth in the shower. I grew up in apartments. I did not live in a big house. I did not have a sink in my bathroom. And so it was either brush your teeth at the kitchen sink or brush your teeth in the shower. And that's how I got into the habit of brushing my teeth in the shower. But I will live and die on this hill that this is the best toothpaste on the entire planet. Now, I use an electric toothbrush at my sink where I brush my teeth at night, but I just used the toothbrush that the dentist gave me, and this is the Aquafresh Extreme Clean. I don't care what anyone says, toothbrushing scenes in movies are the fakest thing on the planet. I literally cannot stand to watch someone brush their teeth in a movie and not have any foam. This thing foams up like crazy. You can foam all over yourself if you want to, so this is what you need if you get anything out of the shower. I am a dude when it comes to shaving. I use dude products. This is just the Up and Up Sensitive Skin. I love this friggin' shave gel so much. It's just a dude shave gel from Target, and it's just the best one. I started using it because I ran out of the girly one, and my husband had this in the closet, and so this is what I started using. And it just works great, and it costs less because it's not pink. So definitely try this one. And then I just use a Fusion razor. I don't even know why I'm showing this. I shave my legs like once every 3 months. They're blonde hair. I just don't bother. If there is one flex that I have as a consumer of products, it's that I am a professional at finishing 2 products at the same time, like a shampoo and conditioner, or in this case, a face wash and a cleansing gel. I am so proud when I finish things at the same time, and I'm about to finish these 2 right here. So this is from Herborian. I love Herborian CC creams and their CC Red Correct. You see me that with my makeup all the time. But these are just really good cleansers. So this is the Centella Cleansing Oil. This is what I use first to remove makeup. And then this is the Centella Cleansing Gel. This is what I use to wash. Now, as much as I don't want to say that I sometimes sleep in my makeup, it's just how life goes. I sleep in my makeup sometimes, you guys. That's why I have the cleansing oil. So the cleansing oil will help me to remove, and if I do sleep in makeup, that's when I know I need to exfoliate. And that's where this beauty from Peach and Lily comes in. This is the Rice Dough Smoothing Facial Scrub. It has rice complex and konjac in it. It just came out recently. When I was in New York City, we met with Peach and Lily, and they introduced this product to us. I love this. It is the most beautiful, gentle exfoliation ever. Leaves your face feeling moisturized and not super dry and tight. And it's really good, clean product as well. We love Korean skincare around here. So this is like probably one of my top 3 favorite Peach and Lily products. Now we're gonna move on to body, and this is the part that I'm actually most excited about. It's probably where most of my empties come from when you see my empty videos. I just go through a lot because I'm constantly trying to find things that work. And I feel like the routine that I have right now for my body is so good that like I can't even wait to scream it from the rooftops to tell you guys. Before we get into product, this has been an absolute game changer for me. This is an African soap net, I believe it's called. And you wanna make sure that you get one that is authentic. You can tell it's authentic by the knots. So like each little individual net here will have like a knot to it. And that is what works to exfoliate your skin. This is so good. So I will bunch it up like this. I will put my body wash on it, lather that up to get it going, and then just start scrubbing. But it's huge, so you can put it behind you and you can get like every inch of your body with it. Oh my God, I'm telling you, it's so good. You can literally put it down on your foot and it's like long enough that you can like get in between your toes. So this has helped immensely with exfoliating. And this comes on recommendation from all of my friends that are women of color. They're like, if you're not using an African soap net, you need to be using it. It is just a game changer for your skin. Now we're gonna talk about my cleansers. I'm gonna start with this one. This one is from L'Occitane. This is the almond like cleansing shower oil. I'm telling you, this is luxury. It is almost gone. I'm literally not even gonna like show you the texture of this because I don't wanna waste one drop of it. This is definitely a luxury product. It is amazing. And this is so bizarre, but like we get really close here, right? I use this specifically to clean my armpits. Stick with me here for a second because there's a reason why. This is an oil, and when you add water to it, it turns into a cleanser. And I just feel, because it is an oil, it really cuts through grime and like gross things. And let's face it, like deodorant and like, you know, all things armpit is just like not fun. Just trust me on this one. It just works really good. New to my shower is this from Naturium. This is the Booster Hyaluronic Acid Body Wash. I really like this one. The thing about hyaluronic acid is it's a molecule that absorbs moisture, right? So think of like a bubble, and the bubble starts off like this small, and as it absorbs moisture, the bubble gets bigger and bigger. And that is why like lip filler is like pure hyaluronic acid. It's actually absorbing the moisture in your body to give you fuller, plumper lips. And that is exactly what this body wash is doing. It boosts hydration and it supports your skin barrier. It's just a good, solid body wash, and it's super affordable for such a huge container of it as well. Before we get into the holy grail of what's in the shower, I do want to recommend this product as well. This is the KP Scrub and Mask. Now, if you deal with any type of ketosis pilaris, chicken skin, weird bumps, dry skin that you really need to slough off, this is the product for you. It's KP Body Scrub and Mask. So I have used a ton of these. I love the one from First Aid Beauty. I love the one from Peach and Lily. This one is really different than those two because it is a mask as well. So you have to like work to rinse this off, and I love that because I'm a shower type girl. So sometimes when you put product on, it immediately rinses off and it doesn't sit there. This actually sits really well on the skin while you're in the shower. So I'll use this all over my chest, on the back of my arms, on the back of my legs, to keep my skin really smooth because I do have sensitive skin that will get bumpy. So this one is really great if you deal with KP or if you just love KP products. I highly, highly recommend this. I don't use this every shower, but when I'm feeling extra dry or when my skin is acting up, I will definitely use this. Now for the end of your shower. And this is a habit that I had to create because I hate putting lotion on my body. Literally loathe it. I know we need it, but I don't know, there's just something about lotion on my body. I love lotion, but I can't get myself to actually put it on consistently. Maybe it's my rings, my jewelry, the sensation of it. I don't know what it is, but I really struggle with it. And you know, there's worse problems in the world, but I want my skin to feel moisturized. I want my skin to feel soft. I don't want it to look like alligator, you know, or just look like your legs are gonna flake off at any second. So I created a new routine for myself, and it has been really, really helping. Before I get into the shower, I will put like a hand towel on my rack over here. So when my shower is over, I will take that hand towel and I will lay it down over the drain of my shower, because I feel like if I do it in the shower, it works better for me. However, once I'm dried off, I don't like my feet feeling wet on the tile floor. So putting the towel down has been what has allowed me to create this routine. And it's only 2 products, so it's pretty simple. So the first one is this Urea 5% body serum. The word serum is the reason why I really started to try this product, because serum is a thinner consistency than lotion, and it has really just like worked for me. So after I'm dried off, I take 2 pumps of these for the bottom of both legs, 2 pumps to do the top of my legs, 1 pump for each arm, and 1 pump from here down to my hip area, so to cover the whole thing. And this is plenty. It absorbs so fast, and it doesn't leave me feeling greasy or weird, or like, I don't know, the texture doesn't bother me, the sensation doesn't bother me. It's just been really awesome. And I notice how my skin feels throughout the day. Like underneath my leggings, when I take my leggings off, there's not like dry skin flaking off from the inside of my leggings. My arms like feel moisturized underneath my t-shirt. They don't feel dry and scratchy. I don't know. I really, really love this. I just started using it maybe 2 weeks ago, and I find myself like looking forward to this routine in the shower. But there's one more last final touch that we've added in. Now, I'm still standing on my towel when I do this last touch, but that serum absorbs so quickly that I'm able to use a body oil. And this is also a recommendation from my friends that are women of color. They're like, if you're not using a body oil, you're not gonna get that glowy sheen look that we all have. They all tell me like, use a body oil and moisturize every single day. Moisturize and then put a body oil on. So I'm trying my best to stay in that routine. This is Golden Hour. This is from Saltaire, and this is really beautiful. This is a nourishing body oil. I use 5 pumps for my whole body. So I kind of do like 2 pumps to do my legs, 2 pumps to do my arms, and 1 pump to do like everything left over. And it absorbs really fast, and it smells so good. So this is called Golden Hour, and this is a great way to prep your skin for your fragrance later on in the day, because you're gonna have a nice, soft, lingering scent from the body oil. All right, that is everything that is in my shower. I could show you my husband's shelf, but it literally consists of a 3-in-1, some Kiehl's moisturizer, and some Muirhead face cleanser that he has used for the last like 20 years. He literally has 3 products in there. There's also a rubber dolphin and a rubber hockey ball in there, because my 6-year-old also showers in here. It's a small shower, but I love the routine that I have created. I hope that you guys love it too. I'm gonna link everything that I possibly can for you guys here. And if you love these videos, or if you have some ideas of what you'd like to see for content, be sure to leave me a comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.